Corporation HIDClass 2.2.2.17, update not installing on Windows 11. Issue: Intel HIDClass driver update version 2.2.2.2017 fails to install or gets stuck on Windows 11. Step 1. Restart your PC. Save all open work. Restart your computer properly. Retry the driver update installation. Step 2. Disconnect external devices. Remove USB devices temporarily. Disconnect extra keyboards or controllers. Leave only essential devices connected. Step 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings, System, Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Step 4. Check Optional Updates. Open Windows Update Settings. Go to Advanced Options, Optional Updates. Install Intel driver updates manually. Step 5. Update HID drivers manually. Open Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. Update Intel HID drivers manually. Step 6. Clear Windows Update cache. Stop Windows Update services temporarily. Delete software distribution cache files. Restart update services afterward. Step 7. Repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run SFC scanow. Let Windows repair damaged files automatically. Step 8. Use DISM repair commands. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run SM online, clean up image, restore health, restart the PC after completion. Step 9. Install Intel drivers directly. Download the latest HID or chipset drivers. Install them manually from Intel or OEM source. Restart your PC after installation. Step 10. Perform a clean boot. Open msconfig from Run Dialog. Disable non-Microsoft startup services. Restart Windows and try the update again.